Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making the Melon Mania Punch. Now, this is actually a recipe that Stumpy left behind for us that I 100% forgot about. I thought I did all the Stumpy recipes, but turns out I believe I'm missing this one and one other one, and maybe a shot. I'm not 100% sure if that was his or not. It seems like it might be, but I don't know. Yeah, so I was actually kind of surprised. I was trying to figure out what I was going to do tonight, and I was looking through my list, and I'm like, wait, wasn't that a Stumpy recipe? Do I remember doing this? And I looked it up, and I'm like, oh, I never did this. Okay. So there's a few Stumpy recipes that I forgot about, so we're on now, actually, Stumpy Adventures 10. Make sure to grab up some ice into your glass. You're going to need it. Hope you guys enjoyed those last two videos that my friend did instead of me, because he knew what he was doing with those and I did not. So anyways, let's get down into making this. What you're going to need is a red white berry vodka. You will need Island Punch Pucker, Midori, and everything centered around a rain Melon Mania. Hence the name Melon Mania Punch. It's a pretty simple recipe, so let's get down into it. What you're going to need is 1 ounce of your red, white, and berry. One ounce of your Island Punch Pucker. I poured a little much in here, but I'm sure it'll be fine. 1 ounce of your Midori. And I guess I could have layered this, but eh. Oh, I spilled some of the Midori on the bar. No! Not the Midori. Alright. Go ahead and pour your Midori in. And then next up, we are going to add in our Melon Mania Punch. So about right there. That should be fine. It's roughly about a third of a can, half a can, somewhere around there. Yeah, about a half a can, give or take. We're going to go ahead and stir this up, and then we'll try it out. Alright, here we are. We stirred it up. I'm surprised I forgot about this. Anyways, let's go ahead and try it out. Ooh. Now that's a punch. That is indeed a punch. Great combination of the melon and the Island Punch Pucker. You can definitely taste a little bit of the red, white, and berry. It just adds a little bit more sourness to the mix from all the sweetness that's been added into it. Yeah, I think it might actually be the Melon Mania and the red, white berry that I'm tasting first. And then adding the sweetness of the Midori and the Island Punch Pucker to give it that sweeter, tropical taste to it, which is interesting. I remember having this a long time ago and then forgetting all about it. It's a pretty tasty drink. I would probably give it about a 4.4, maybe 4.5 for my rate, because I really like sweet things. Not super sweet, but I do like sweeter drinks than most people. But yeah, no, this is pretty good. I'd probably have another one later. I'll be awake for the rest of the night, because I think this is like 400 milligrams caffeine, if I'm not mistaken. No, 300 milligrams of caffeine. Yeah, I'll be awake for the rest of the night. Yeah, no, this is pretty good. I think it's a beautiful combination for Midori, Melon Mania, and Red, White, and Berry, with a little added tropical taste to with the Island Punch Pucker. I think it came out really good. Thank you, Stumpy, for leaving behind another treasured drink for us. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.